going on YouTube? So today we're going to check out Blink's X-T2 security camera. Now this is a completely wireless camera, so that means it requires batteries to power it, as well as it's wireless for internet connectivity. So let's go ahead and check it out. So on this channel I've reviewed quite a few wireless cameras, and I actually have not had my hands on the actual Blink series. So now we have the Blink X-T2, which just came out. This is their second generation with a few upgrades. Now they have two-way audio, and then they also upgraded their processors to up to a quad core. So Blink's been around for a few years. They actually just recently in the last 2 years got purchased by Amazon. So I mean, being owned by Amazon, you'd think that's pretty cool, which it is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. Before we get into this, let's look at the box. So it's got two-way audio, 2-year battery life, and no monthly fees. Also works with Alexa. So this is the one camera set. I will go ahead and link the product in the description so you can check it out yourself. So here they tout their wireless system, basically saying it's an easy mount and wire-free. So here on the back, they tout their 2-year battery life and no monthly fees. And then on the side here, it says two-way audio, 2-year battery life, using 2 AA's. They have no monthly fees for cloud storage up to 720 seconds, which is 2 hours. So that means after you get 2 hours of recording in a year, it goes ahead and goes at the very beginning of all the recordings and starts erasing as it goes. So once you're alerted that something happened, you're going to look at it anyway, so that doesn't really matter, the shortage of that. It'd be more for a camera system where if you wanted unlimited storage or a lot more than that, you would only want something that you don't get alerted all the time versus where you get alerted all the time for motion on this one. It does have day and night HD coverage for 1080p. And then this one also comes with customizable motion detection. So you can actually use activity zones to choose where you want to motion detect, which is really nice. Being a completely wireless camera and being able to use motion zones, that's awesome. It does probably hurt battery life a little bit, so that 2-year battery life is going to take a hit, but that's awesome. I don't know if they have that in the first generation or not, but now they have it in the second gen at least. And also, again, works with Amazon Alexa. So let's go ahead and check out in the box. So here's what's in the box. Looks like you got an owner's manual and you got the camera here. Let's go ahead and check out the camera. Here's the camera itself. Look how small this thing is. I know it's hard to see the size based on my hand, but I don't have very large hands by any means. I'd say with a glove, like a golf glove, I use medium large, so it's between medium and large. I mean, really, this is super small. I'm really impressed. So it looks like you have the camera right there, and then you have the infrared right here for night vision, and then their logo right here. So on the back here, you have the speaker right here, the X-T2 logo there, the mount for the mounting hardware. Then you have a rubber gasket here for the charging port if you want to charge it. Then once you get it opened up, there's the micro USB charging port, and then you have the batteries for the battery compartment here. So it does use 1.5 volt lithium only AA's. So you got the user manual and a sticker. Then you have the actual hub that the camera talks to. So this is actually, there is no Ethernet port to this. And I'm not sure that the first version had that either. So it connects via wireless. So you got 2 LED lights here, wireless and power. You got the micro USB here for power. And then you have a USB port right here. So here's the comparison of the camera size versus the actual hub itself. The hub is super small. So that is a big difference between a camera system like Arlo where they use a larger hub. And this one's also wireless, so you can actually put this anywhere in your house as long as it's got good coverage. That allows you to get it closer to the camera if need be for coverage. Then you have the micro USB for the power of the actual hub itself. Then you actually have the USB plug here for the power. Then you have the mount here, which you can move around. It's actually pretty sturdy to move around, so it's not, you don't like loosen a set screw or anything like that. But it has a mount for the mounting port. And then also you got 2 screws here. And then they provide you 2 lithium ion batteries. These are Energizer Ultimate Lithium. So that way you don't have to go out and buy your own batteries. So the X-T2 model has the actual microphone down at the bottom now. So that's the addition to the X-T2 model that the XT does not have. One thing that's really neat about the Blink system is being an Amazon company and owning Blink, they actually provide an app on their Fire OS system. So if you have a Fire OS tablet or you got the Amazon Fire Sticks, they have an app on there for the Blink system. So that way you don't have to have an iPhone or an Android device to power or to check up on it, even though everybody has at least an iPhone or an Android device. But that is nice to have. So setting it up, it's actually pretty quick and easy. It's a normal Wi-Fi connectivity. On the back of the powered hub, it actually has a wireless SSID as well as the password to connect to it. So you connect to it on the phone. And then in the app, it asks you what's your Wi-Fi network and how to connect to it. So you put all the information in there, and then it connects the hub to your Wi-Fi network in your home or your office or wherever you want to hook it up to. So let's check out what you guys all want to check out once you've seen everything in the box now. Let's check out the quality of day vision, also night vision, and then also the two-way audio, because we want to check that out. That's new this year. I'm sure you want to check out the quality of that. Also, I wanted to see what the recordings look like. So how quickly does it pick up my movement, and how long does it record for? Sometimes all throughout all different camera systems for security, they change. For some record a little bit and all of a sudden it records just a little bit, or it doesn't catch you quick enough. So let's go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put those videos up here in just a second, but I want to make sure that you can see what the quality is during daytime as well as nighttime, audio quality for two-way back and forth talk, as well as how quickly it can catch motion and how long it catches motion for. So let's check that out. This is the quality of daytime video, so you can see it's a little bit cloudy, but still right out. And this is also the audio. So here's a test for the actual video quality in pitch black, actually in my garage, because it's not nighttime yet. But this is pitch black in my garage. I literally almost ran into my vehicle right here, trying to find the spot in front of the camera. So this is the test for the audio quality from the actual camera from an iPhone. So there you have it. Now you see the quality of the actual HD video for daytime, nighttime, the two-way audio quality, as well as how quickly it picks up motion and how long it picks it up. If that's going to work for you, that's great. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and link the product in the description below so you can check it out yourself. If this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more videos like this and get alerted for that. So hit that bell as well. And then also, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And then if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. I will respond to any comments if I have answers for you. I love chatting with you guys. So I will see you next time.